I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble with the billing issue on the DoorDash app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your order history and billing settings. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your payment methods and orders. Step 3. Check your order history. In account settings, find and select order history. Review your recent orders to identify any discrepancies or charges that seem incorrect. Step 4. Report the issue. If you spot an error, tap on the specific order and look for the option to report an issue. Follow the prompts to explain the billing problem and submit your request for assistance. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to DoorDash customer support through the app. Navigate to the help section and select contact support to chat or call for further assistance. Sometimes, the issue might be due to an expired payment method, so double-check your payment settings to ensure everything is up to date. I hope these steps help you resolve your billing issue quickly.